guys, good evening and welcome to another video. So actually I'm filming this video at night. Is it clear or compared to this? Okay, I think it's okay. Now I'm filming this video at night actually because I have to upload this video by tomorrow. So this video actually is going to be a collaboration video between I and Flojay Creativity TV. So you should go on our YouTube channel and watch our video as well. So we were talking and we decided to make to collaborate and make a Tote bag. She has made hers on her channel and I've made mine on my channel. So she's making just a video while I'm making two videos, this one and the next one that will be coming, the process of how I make the bag. So as you can see, this is my home bag. I hope you guys love it and I think it's okay. So I'll be showing her the picture and link to the channel as well. So you guys should watch, go subscribe to our channel, show our love, like and leave a comment there. You should also do that on this channel as well. So I think that is what is going to happen on this channel for today. So this is the bag actually. It's a Tote bag and it's a new process I use in making this. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. This is the inside. I decided not to use lining, so this is everything for you guys. So head to our channel and make sure you subscribe to our channel. So here are the bag guys. I hope you guys love it. The front view, the side view and the back view and the top view. So compared to my, which of it do you guys like? So if you watch it, I say you should head to our channel at Flojay Creativity TV to subscribe to our channel, like, watch our own video as well. So here as well, subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, click the notification bell, and I think that is it. So guys, thank you. That's the video. That's our own bag I've shown you. So I hope you guys see the two bag. You've seen mine, which is this particular one, and I've shown our own. So guys, as I said earlier, please head to our channel, show our love, watch our video. She have tons of creativities video and daily vlog she do in Italy. So you guys should go to our channel and show our love. Our own people can also come here and come and show us love. Leave a comment on what you think, what we can do next. And again, this is not the beginning. There's a lot of collaboration that will be coming between this channel and our channel. And I say our channel's name is Flojay Creativities TV. So you should go and follow our up. Thank you guys for watching this video. And here, make sure you watch the second video. Actually, the second video will be coming immediately I post this video, maybe in a few hours to when I post this particular video. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, click the notification bell and like, leave a comment, and we shall see you in the next one.